Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now we have to tap on the wallpaper. As you can see here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and under it we've got actually two options from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from My Wallpapers, and here we've got some defaultly installed ones, and under it we've got our own gallery, so obviously we will be transferred to our photos and we will be able to pick one and set it as a wallpaper. What's more, here we've got the option apply dark mode to the wallpaper, so it means that if you've got the dark mode applied, then it will also affect the wallpaper, so it will make it a little bit darker. So let me pick something from My Wallpapers, so let's enter it. And as you can see here, we've got some pre-installed options to choose from, and all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, this one, and as you can see now I can decide where I want to set it, so I can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. So I think I will pick both, so just tap on the option you'd like to use. Here we've got the preview of it, so if you are ready, if you are happy with your choice, just tap on set on home screen and lock screen. Maybe again. Okay, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied to the home screen, so let's check. Let me go back to the home screen, and as you can see, it is right on the home screen. What's more, we can check the lock screen. Let me unlock the device, and it is also visible right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.